Hi, welcome to Beingenglish Classes once again, and today I've got a new word in picture vocabulary, and the word which is you can see in front of you here. There is a stone, and this particular stone is called as milestone. So, with the help of this stone, you can understand the distance, how far is a particular destination. So with the help of this particular word milestone, we can use it in a sentence. The sentence will be like this: there is a milestone at the side of the road. So this stone is very important. For such new picture vocabulary, like, share and subscribe to my channel.